Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and physical connections so nothing obvious blocks repair. First, charge the headset above 50% and note the LED color. This rules out low battery glitches. Once done, inspect the USB-C cable and the wireless dongle for bends or debris, and swap the dongle to a different USB port to test 4 GHz interference. Finally, power cycle the headset. Hold power for 10 seconds, then short press to restart and clear transient firmware faults. Now you focus on firmware and the wireless link because many faults stem from mismatched firmware or pairing errors. Open Logitech G535 and confirm the G535 appears. If a firmware update is offered, run it. Firmware fixes radios and mic routing. If the auto update fails, download the package in G535 and run the manual updater. Once firmware is current, repair. Remove the headset from Windows Bluetooth list. Plug the dongle, press the headset pairing button until the LED blinks, and let G535 complete the handshake. Finish by validating audio and microphone so you know the repair succeeded. You should play a test sound and record a quick microphone sample in the OS and in G535 to compare levels and clarity. Make sure the G535 is set as default playback and input. If problems persist, test the headset on a second computer or phone to isolate whether it's the headset or your PC. If hardware still acts up, perform a factory reset and reflash firmware. If that fails, gather logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.